Hi there! Did you know that using a website analysis tool identifies flaws in a restaurant's website and also generates more website visitors and orders? How does this work? A website analysis tool thoroughly checks a restaurant's website for issues that could affect user experience and search engine optimization, or SEO, slow load times, and content optimization, which are all important ranking factors that search engines take into account when displaying a website on the search engine results page. For example, if a potential customer is searching for best pizza in Manhattan, a restaurant's website could be the first result that customers see on Google. But to reach a rank as high as possible on the search engine results page, restaurant owners need to make sure their website visitors have a good user experience whilst navigating their website. That is, food clients can easily find the order button from any page they visit. Food clients don't have to wait too long for the page to load, etc. By providing a better experience, restaurant owners can funnel more visitors towards the essential pages or sections of their website, such as the ordering or reservation widgets. This can generate more potential website visitors who can turn into actual restaurant customers. Restaurant owners should scan their websites regularly because it creates a safe, effective, and user-friendly online presence that fosters confidence and interaction from their visitors, and ultimately encourages potential customers to order from their restaurant. Let's begin. Restaurant owners should navigate to the Marketing Tools section of their restaurant dashboard. Then they should click Website Scanner, followed by Website Checker, then Next. Next, restaurant owners should type in the domain name for their restaurant website and click Check Website. This online ordering system will analyze the quality of their website and detail the steps they should take to rank higher in Google. The results will be visible in the Status section. The top of the report lists how many issues the website analysis tool found. Areas that need the restaurant owner's attention will be marked with a yellow warning icon, and good areas will be marked with a green check mark icon. Let's go through all the action steps that should be taken to get a good restaurant website. Restaurant owners should click on the Content Optimization option. What is content optimization? Content optimization is the practice of improving digital content to increase its effectiveness, visibility, and engagement. The process involves ensuring quality content, including keywords, writing compelling titles, and meta descriptions. For restaurant owners' websites to rank higher in Google searches, their restaurant's name should be included in the page title. This restaurant's name and address should be included in the web page meta description. In the page content section, restaurant owners should ensure their H1 includes their restaurant's name and the city that it's based in. Restaurant owners should ensure the H2 and a part of the regular text on their web page should contain their restaurant's name. Restaurant owners need to make sure their website contains a gallery of photos of the dishes they serve. Let's move to the Visitor to Order Conversion section. This section lists the steps that the restaurant owner should take to increase their conversion rate on their website. In other words, increase the number of visitors that place an order. Restaurant owners should ensure the ordering button is at the top of their homepage and that the Order Online button is visible on each page of their website. This is especially important on the mobile version of their website. In our experience, over 70% of food clients will order using their phones. This ensures that the Order Online button is one of the first things customers see when they visit a restaurant owner's website. The Google Speed Test section lets restaurant owners know how fast their website loads on mobile and desktop devices. Google Speed Test is a tool that evaluates desktop and mobile web page load times and offers optimization suggestions. Page speed lets restaurant owners know what issues need to be rectified to improve performance and whether their website is operating at its fastest possible speed. For Google, website load speed is an important search engine ranking factor, and the closer an owner's website load time is to 100%, the better their chances are to rank higher in Google. Restaurant owners should click on See Results, and they will be redirected to a Google web page where there will be suggestions on how to improve their page speed. Next, restaurant owners should click on the Domain Name section. This section analyzes a restaurant's domain name and ensures they have a real domain name or a top-level domain name and not a subdomain name. Restaurant owners should use a real domain such as restaurantname.com or variations of the name and city or neighborhood. They should make sure the website name is easy, memorable, and supports their overall online presence strategy. For example, they can have their restaurant's name, restaurant-pronto.com, restaurant name plus city, pronto-ny.com, restaurant name plus neighborhood, pronto-manhattan.com. Having a real domain name will help them rank higher in searches. Another factor that greatly influences a restaurant owner's website ranking in Google is how secure it is. The Domain Security section lists whether food customers' data is protected using an SSL certificate. In simple terms, an SSL certificate encrypts food customers' valuable data like credit card information and personal details, making it more difficult for hackers to access. Let's look at the Structured Data section of the website Quality Checker. This section analyzes the way the data on a restaurant owner's website is organized. Structured data is a standardized format for providing information about a page and classifying the page content. For example, on a restaurant website, what are the opening hours, the address, the menu link, and so on. Structured data is important for SEO because it helps search engines find and understand your content and website. Having a strong social media presence is vital for a restaurant's online market share. Restaurant owners should add social media links on their website to help grow their followers. Keep in touch with these consumers and stay at the forefront of food customers' consciousness. Restaurant owners should make sure to also go to their social media pages and add their website in the About section. These will add as backlinks to a restaurant's website and further help improve the overall search engine optimization strategy. If restaurant owners do not understand some of the terms listed previously, they simply need to click the Fix This button to generate a report that they can send to their webmaster. If restaurant owners do not have a webmaster or are unable to implement these changes themselves, this online ordering solution has a high-converting restaurant website that is designed to rank in the top searches on Google. For more information on how to create a sales-optimized website, restaurant owners should click on the link that just popped up in the video. Once restaurant owners start implementing some of the recommended fixes, they can monitor their effectiveness in their reports. Online ordering section. Google ranking. Restaurant owners should always check their website funnel report to see how their visitors behave and get more recommendations to improve their website and online presence. That's all for now.